Welcome to the second lecture, and in this lecture we will be learning little practical thing about Node.js. Like we will be implementing the things we have learned yesterday, and we will be also learning some theoretical concept, and we will be applying that on Node.js terminal. So let's start. Firstly, what is Node.js? I have explained you this term Node.js yesterday as well in the last video. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. It allows JavaScript to run outside the browser. This is basically Node.js is used to implement JavaScripts to run outside the browser. It is used mainly for backend development. Node.js is usually used for backend development. I have told you in the last video as well. And now, how to install Node.js? There is a glitch here. We have to copy this thing. This code, this link is not functional here, so we will be I'm doing this on MacBook, so I will be doing this on macOS. You have to do this on Windows. So let me paste it here. Okay, and now here you can see you have to press this Mac OS installer. It will get installed. I have already installed, so I will not install here. I just showed you to how to set up Node.js terminal in your device, either it is MacBook or any window oriented laptop. So yeah, and let's move third. Now I hope you have set up all the things I have just said you in the last PPT, last slide. So now I will be opening, see, I have here Node.js. I have already installed, so I don't need to install it again, but you guys have to install it in your device. Okay, so let's open it this with Virtual Studio. I will be using Virtual Studio. Make sure your device have Virtual Studio as well. This is Virtual Studio Code 2. I have installed twice, so it is showing Virtual Studio Code 2. It will be showing Virtual Studio Code in your device only. So now, yeah, open anyway. Okay, I might have doing something earlier. Now I will adjust it like that you guys can see it properly. Now I will drag this up. Yeah, so this is the terminal. Okay, you guys will see this kind of thing in your terminal. Now here, let me show you from the PPT slide. So when you open that terminal thing in your device, you have to write this thing node dash v. Okay, so let me go to that thing. Now I will put here okay, let me do it again. There was some glitch actually, so yeah. Node dash v, enter. I don't know why this is. What is this? Explore and extend your code. Wait. Background. Okay. I don't know how. Skip for now. Just ignore this thing. I don't know how did it occur suddenly. It was not happening before. So I hope you guys won't mind ignoring this thing. I don't know how did this happen. I will get it corrected in next video. So here when I wrote node space dash v, as I have written here node dash v, we have to open this and run in our terminal. I hope you guys have open your terminal as well, because this video is not just theoretical. You have to do the things along with me. So open your terminal, it will be really good. Yeah, so see, after writing node v, we are getting v24.12. You have you this means that the this REPL is executable and Node.js is successfully installed in our device. It should be more than v18 or at least v18. In my device it is v24, so it is good. And now we have done this. I just explained that this shows the Node.js is successfully installed in our device. So in my device it is successfully device. You guys should check it in your device by writing node space dash v. If it is giving you version more than 18 v18, then it is good. You are well and good with installation of Node.js. And now we have to, let me show you, we have to write command node to execute or open the REPL environment. So here when I will be writing node, it will start REPL. See, dot help. When I will write dot help, it will, let me extend it more, it will be more visual for you guys. Yeah, so see, when I typed or write dot help, I got so many functions here: dot break, dot clear, dot editor, dot exit, dot help, dot load, dot save. These all are the functions we have in our REPL, and you guys can see this command. These are actually not functions; these are commands. Sorry. So after writing dot help, you will get all this. Uh, this is also telling us that when you press Ctrl C or to avoid current expression and Ctrl D to exit the REPL, you can simply write dot exit to uh, exit from any REPL you have started. So you don't have to worry about this thing, because people generally forget these things. So yeah, dot exit is the main thing. Here it is written dot exit, which will exit the REPL. Okay, now we have done with node this slide. Yeah, now what is REPL? I have explained you in the previous video as well. You guys should really check that video, that is very informative for you. REPL stands for read, evaluate, print, loop, and it runs JavaScript line by line. So it is really important. Now these are the basic commands, just I have explained you in the here. These are the basic commands I have explained you. Now we are learning Node.js basically because we want to run JavaScript outside the browser. So we will be focusing about JavaScript here. Okay, let's take an example. A is equal, sorry, a is equal to 9. Okay, so it will show 9 when we will doing a plus 9 and return. See, it is giving 18. It is basically doing the thing which console do in JavaScript. So yeah, this is the basic code. It's the first practical video, so we will be doing this thing. Don't worry, we will level up our concept and our code and other things. And this is the example. This is something I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, this is if we are putting a is equal to 3 and we are putting some random things, then this will give us undefined value or result. So we don't have to think about this much. This is just as null slide. Now I have shown you this example here just now. A is equal to 9 and it will give 9. When we will be adding 9 to a, it will give 18, or just whatever. You can take any digits. It is not necessary that you're going to take 9 here. I just took it as example. Sorry guys. And now here the same concept I have just explained you, that .exit is the best way to exit from any REPL you have started. And this slide, why use REPL? It is best for beginners. It is really easy, quick testing, it gives output immediately, not much file required in this, and live JavaScript execution. We have seen it. This is the concept of console for Java, and it is actually doing in Node.js terminal. So yeah, and let me show you how .exit work. See, we are not getting this symbol. This symbol is really important. This shows that our REPL has started. And now here we are getting, see this thing, sorry, yeah, this thing and this thing. Can you see it? First line and this line same. So we have to start all this thing again. We have to give command node and see it started again a new REPL by this symbol. So in this video I will be summarizing it really quick for you guys in I guess 10 seconds maybe. So we have installed Node.js. You can install it on your Windows or Mac, whatever you have. Then you must should have Virtual Studio Code in your device as well before installing Node.js. First thing is you guys should have a Virtual Studio Code in your device. Second thing, you have to install Node.js. I have given the link, but that is not functional. You can search it online. It is really easy. After installing that, you have to open that Node.js thing in Virtual Studio Code. After opening it, you have to drag this. See, this thing. This thing will be really down. You have to pull it up like this. I know this is very basic thing, but initially we really get troubled by this thing, so I'm just letting you know guys. You have to pull it up so that you can write your code and things. Then you have to check that Node.js is successfully installed or working or not. For that we have to write node space -v. Okay, then this will give you this thing. Okay, you can see my cursor moving and just focus here. You can see that v24, sorry guys, v24, so this is more than v18, then this is good. Okay, you guys must should be getting this as at least v18 or more than v18, then it is good. It is showing v24, then it's well and good. Now we have checked that Node.js is installed or not. Okay, well and good. Now we have to start REPL. I have taught you or told you about REPL before, so I'm not going to repeat that again. Here we have to just give command node. Okay, this node, and it will start a new REPL. Here when you will be doing this for first time, it will give you some basic knowledge or maybe guide. .help will give you furthermore commands which are required, like this: break, clear, editor, exit, help, load, .save. Okay, and now this thing will start, and you can, this is the basic example, like really small example for Java console thing. Node.js is used so that we can run JavaScript outside the browser. So I took just a simple, like very basic example, and now these things have done. And now I wanted to end my REPL, so I just wrote .exit here, and this ended my REPL. And again I wanted to start new REPL, then I have to give command node, and this started a new REPL. And how will we getting to know that new REPL has started or not? If you are getting this symbol, then the new REPL has started. If you are not getting this symbol, the REPL has not started. So the symbol is really important, so take care of this, else you will get in trouble. So yeah, that's all, and I'm done with this thing. Like it was a small basic thing about Node.js, but it is really important. You should be very clear with your concept so that you don't get trouble further, and this thing should be very crystal clear in your mind. So take care of these things, and bye bye. We will meet in next video, and I will further be telling few more concept about Node.js. I will be teaching, sorry, not teaching, but yeah, I will be giving information in this way only. Some theoretical, like slide wise, and some like with coding in the terminal. So yeah, bye bye.